Hey guys, in this video I am sharing with you 10 highly paying side hustles to generate extra income to retire early. Number 1. Become a virtual assistant. Research the field. Becoming a virtual assistant, VA, requires an understanding of the role and the services VAs provide. Read up on the duties of a VA and learn about various virtual assistant services such as administrative assistance, scheduling, and content writing. Get certified. Many potential employers require applicants to have a certification or diploma in virtual assistance. Number 2. Start a blog. Choose a blogging platform. Some popular platforms include WordPress, Blogger, and Typepad. You can also create your own website or blog from scratch. Select a domain name. This is the URL people will type into their browser to access your blog. It should be easy to remember and reflect the topic of your blog. Find a hosting provider. This is the company that will host your blog and store all the content and data associated with it. Number 3. Deliver groceries. Contact local grocery stores, supermarkets, and specialty stores to inquire about becoming a delivery driver. Many stores are now using third-party delivery services like Instacart, which provide drivers with an easy way to make money. Set up an account with your chosen service and become familiar with their policies and procedures. Advertise your services by posting flyers in your neighborhood and on online job boards. Number 4. Pet sitting. Get certified. Consider getting certified in pet first aid and CPR. This will help you stand out from other pet sitters and give clients extra peace of mind. Spread the word. Let everyone you know that you are offering pet sitting services. Place flyers in local stores, vet offices, and pet stores. Join a pet sitting network. Consider joining a pet sitting network. This will help you find more clients and increase your visibility. Number 5. Freelance writing. Create a portfolio of your work. A portfolio is an essential tool for freelance writers as it showcases your best writing samples and demonstrates your writing skills. Find freelance writing jobs. Reach out to companies and websites that are looking for freelance writers. You can find these jobs on job boards, freelance websites, and other online platforms. Promote your services. Use social media, networking events, and other marketing strategies to get your name out there and gain more clients. Number 6. Rent out your home. Prepare your home. Before attempting to rent out your home, make sure that it is in good condition. Repair any damages and make sure it is clean and inviting. Take photos, hire a professional photographer, or take high-quality photos yourself that you can use to advertise your home. Advertise. List your property on online rental sites such as Airbnb, as well as in local newspapers. Number 7. Tutoring. Research the market. Find out what the local competition is charging for tutoring services. You may also need to research the demand for tutoring in your area to determine how much you can charge. Advertise your services. Put out flyers or post ads online to let people know that you are available to provide tutoring services. Network with schools. Connect with local schools and other educational organizations to let them know that you are available to provide tutoring services. Number 8. Become a yoga instructor. Offer group or private classes. If you want to make money teaching yoga, consider offering group or private classes. You can offer classes at local yoga studios, gyms, or even in your own home. You can also create an online presence and offer classes through video streaming services. Become a yoga instructor at a resort or spa. Many resorts and spas hire yoga instructors for their guests.
Number 9. Start an online store. Research your niche. The first step to starting an online store is to identify the niche you want to focus on. Research your target market to determine the type of products your customers are looking for. Design your store. Once you've chosen a platform, you'll need to design your store. Choose a template and customize it to create a unique look and feel for your store. Add products. Now it's time to add your products to your store. Upload images, descriptions, and pricing for each product you want to sell. Number 10. Become a social media manager. Offer consulting services. You can offer consulting services to businesses to help them develop and implement effective social media strategies. You can charge an hourly rate or a package fee for your services. Offer social media management services. You can offer social media management services to businesses. You can manage their accounts and help them create content that resonates with their target audience. Sell ads on your website. If you have a website or blog related to social media, you can sell ads on it and make money.